It's got like one playback, but I think that's me who's like the only viewer. Hey, I'm gonna send the stream to you, William. But and also I've got to repair my own screen. Shout out to the government for their COVID regulations, saying that you can't work it unless you have a medical procedure. And also, fingers up to you, government. Fingers up to you, Dan Andrews. Should we get a picture up of Dan Andrews on stream? No, let's get a picture up of his big ears on stream. Okay, let's get a big picture of Dan Andrews. Um, oh, he's got really big ears, eh? Poor little thing. Okay. Where's his big ears? Where are them? Where are them big ears? Where are them big ears? Because I want to. Honestly, okay, that's just an exaggeration of his big ears. Okay, where is this idiot? Okay, where there his big ears are.
There's big ears.
So also, I have not been working at the markets for, well, this year I haven't gone due to other reasons because I was traveling. But last year, when there was the whole fucking COVID fucking vaccine mandates, I could not work. I couldn't go to the markets and do repairs, so I'd like to give a big shout out to Big Ears here. Cheers, Big Ears, for your vaccine mandates. You can go shove your vaccines right up your ass. Okay. I just wanted to get that out of the way. I'm gonna send the live stream to a few people. And my phone, I'm gonna fix it on this stream today, but I smashed it ages ago and I couldn't even afford a screen. So thank you, Big Ears. Cheers, Big Ears. Okay. Yo, you send it round too, William.
No.
Okay.
It's not good enough quality.
What do you mean?
It has to be 10K. I'm not gonna watch it.
What do you mean 10K?
10,000 pixels?
10,000 pixels. Isn't it 4K these days? Oh no, it's 8K. I'm just sharing the live stream around to a few people just so I can get some reach, so people actually get to be entertained by the live stream.
Very, very nice. Drop a like and subscribe. Oh, if you wanna get a free cookie, don't worry. It's not from Blake.